These fresh ginger and date cookies are probably my favorite cookies I've ever made. They're perfect for Christmas time, or any time really. They're packed full of interesting flavor, especially from the spicy, fresh ginger. With lots of dark molasses and the dates, you don't even need that much sugar in them. The fresh ginger is probably my favorite part of this recipe. It adds a zingy spiciness to the cookies. It's easy to peel fresh ginger with the back of a spoon and grate it on a microplane zester. You can actually freeze peeled ginger and grate it directly from the freezer with a microplane zester. It's a little easier to grate that way, and it stays good for months. I made this batch with all-purpose flour, but I've made it with whole wheat flour and with spelt flour before, with great results. I like using whole dried dates for this, and I pit and seed them myself. I find the texture is a lot more soft, gooey, and chewy than the pre-chopped kind you can buy, but feel free to use those to save on some prep time. My other favorite part of this recipe is using turbinado sugar to coat the cookies before baking. It makes the cookies sparkly, sweet, and adds a crunchy outer texture that can't be beat. I like scooping the dough directly into the bowl of sugar because it makes it a little less sticky and messy to coat the cookies. I know you're going to love these fresh ginger and date cookies just as much as I do. Get this recipe and more at bowlofdelicious.com.